Hey guys, Jubel Marble here, and today's video I'm here at Kids or Singapore Kids. We're gonna try their cheesecake here and coffee here at Millennial. So enjoy watching guys. After kung kumain dito, I will tour you around this area. May bagong display dito sa Millennial. So let's go. Cheesecake. Wow, that's the sweet signatures, everything. Sa Kids, Singapore Kids. Rice. Look kay lang place here guys. Wow. Nice kayo. Cheesecake and my cappuccino. Wow. So, i-try natin kung masarap siya guys. Wow. Lamig na siya. Yummy. Kaya may siya nga cheesecake. I-try natin ngayon. lahat guys. Rice. So, look kay lang place 3 times. Wow, nice kayo. Keep tasting delight. So, mga pasta, pwede ka dito opo guys. So, punta tayo doon. I-tour ko na kayo sa Millenia Walk. Tapos na tayong kumain. We finish eating. I'll show you around. Mayroon kasing display dito guys sa Millenia Walk. Walking around here at Millenia Walk. Maraming bago na naman dito na tinubos. Wala man to noon. So dito tayo guys. Muntik na tayong mabundol. Here at Millenia Walk. So try natin dito. Ikutin. So masarap pala ang ano sa cake guys. Cake cafe. Pwede tayo upo dito guys. Mag-wait na lang tayong walang tao. Ay, walang tao dun sa kabila guys. Upo tayo dito guys. Look at this. This is something here in Millenia Walk. Monument to movement. The Chinese New Year represent the monument of monument to movement. Momentum of new beginnings to come when the Chinese New Year represent the momentum of new beginning to come when tradition meets imagination. How might we bring the heart of hearty unions to life? Millenia Walk Creative Neighborhood is forging new frontiers as a curator of creativity from around the world with international artists Wade and Lita. Monument movement present to wealth and moving elements signifying the vibrancy of shared movements and prosperity. This kinetic sculpture is designed to flow with perpetual energy inspired by the graceful motion of the snake and the lively symbolism of lohe, a treasured tradition of dosing ingredients of togetherness and abundance. 9/1 from January 1 to 12 to 24. From a Christmas showcase to a Chinese New Year centerpiece now until February 12 lang pala siya. Is with a century of mind and will continue to evolve in the marathon course Millenia Walk after. So until February 12 lang siya guys. Dito siya. Wow. Here at Millenia Walk. Can I sit, girl? I sit also. Thank you. Ang sarap na ito. Enjoy. Mag-swing lang ako dito. Mag-isa na lang ako. Umalis yung bata. People around there also enjoying here at Millennial until February 12 man siya dito guys. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. For more of my videos, please subscribe or click the notification bell button so that you will be notified on my next video or vlog. Thank you. See you once again. Bye.